Hello everyone! Today we are going to discover how to create a box in SolidWorks. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and without further delay, let's get started. To begin, let's create a sketch on our front plane. To do this, we will head over to our tree. We'll see the words front plane. Go ahead and right click that. Here you are going to see an abundance of information. Currently though, we would only like to be able to see our plane. To accomplish this, we will simply click the eyeball. We can now see a blue plane in our work zone. To create a new sketch, simply right click the plane and select the sketch option. Notice how the view changes. You are looking directly at your sketch now. We like to call this view the normal 2. Now, it's time for the fun stuff. If you notice in the top left corner, the sketch tab has automatically opened. Under this tab, we have many different tools. Let's grab the rectangle tool. Click it once, then click the origin, or the 2 red arrows that you now see in the middle of your screen. You should see an orange dot showing that this sketch will connect to the origin, and a yellow box slightly to the right with a drawing in it. This yellow box expresses to us what relation we are creating. For example, this relation is a coincident, which tells us that the program knows that these 2 points should always be connected. With our sketch now made, it's time to add some quick dimensions. To accomplish this, we will go under the sketch tab. Remember, we are still in a 2D setting, and select the smart dimension. You may have noticed that some of the lines are blue and the others are black. The black lines let us know that the program has no idea where these particular lines are or what their dimensions are. The blue lines are the exact opposite. The black lines allow us to know which lines are defined. So, if even one line is blue, then our entire part is undefined. So let's make this part defined. Select the left line, and then the right. Before clicking again, lift your mouse cursor slightly above the drawing. This not only gives it a more aesthetic look whilst designing, but also allows us to notice more information easier. Finally, select the top line, and then the bottom line. Now bring this over to the left. You will now notice that all of our lines are black, and we no longer have any blue lines. For a clear reference, take a look at the bottom of the screen. You should see fully defined. This lets us know that our sketches are fully defined and we can continue making our part. Now, let's make this 2D square into a 3D object. Head over to the Features tab and left click it. Then select Extruded Boss Base. Remember, anytime you see the word Boss Base, you will be adding material, not subtracting it. The view will change again. This is our isometric view. Now it's very important to know, because we're working in a 3D environment, that we would like to always be in our isometric view when seeing the majority of our object. You will see a bunch of new options have arrived to the left, where our tree once was. We will go over these in a much deeper detail in our next video. For now, simply type in 2 into the dimensions options. This will be 2 inches as we are in our ISO. This is also the depth of our part. Now, click the green check mark and let's see our creation. If you would like, you can now turn off the plane view, as we won't be needing it. And if you have any questions, please feel free to ask. Once again, if this video helped you, please leave a like and have a fantastic day designing.